Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I have been restoring the suspension of my Dodge Avenger, which I believe has not been replaced since the vehicle came out of the dealership. The nut of the original links is a 15mm and the aftermarket ones are 16mm. I prefer to use an impact gun because it makes the job easier, but the wrench and hex bead method works well too. I'm pretty sure the OEM replacement is made by Delphi, but AutoZone's price was very decent, so I got the parts from them. In this case, I used an auxiliary jack to lift the suspension and take off the links. The car is definitely changing with every new part. This job is very simple, but I had to start somewhere to restore the suspension, at least on the most damaged parts. I will upload a video replacing some of the rear control arms in this vehicle, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more content.